Today we discuss the pathophysiology of next disease, that is rheumatic arthritis. Rheumatic arthritis, it is the chronic disease manifested primarily by the inflammatory arthritis of the peripheral joint. As I am already tell you that the disease which last word with the TIS means inflammation. First we discuss the hepatitis, that is the inflammation on the liver cell. Here rheumatic arthritis means inflammation to the peripheral joint or manifested primarily to the inflammation to the arthritis of the peripheral joint. Peripheral joint को inflammation आता है, then it is called as the rheumatic arthritis. It is the autoimmune disease, ये important है. It is the autoimmune disease मतलब caused by the changes in the IgG, IgM, ये जो antibodies रहते हैं वो antibodies they are specific to the fragment which cause the which known as the rheumatic factor, उसको बोलते हैं rheumatic factor, उसके वजह से ये disease होता है. It is the autoimmune disease. Then etiology of this disease are by developing rheumatic arthritis influenced by the nature of the immune response, which is generally determined. The factor which initiated and precipitated the rheumatic arthritis are known. The serum and the joint fluid of the majority of the patient which contain antibodies, especially the Fc fragment of IgG. It is the ये होगा उसका etiological factor, that is antibodies especially with the Fc fragment of IgG. It is called as the rheumatic factor. These are heterogeneous set of antibodies IgM, IgA, IgG, IgM rheumatic factor and respective rheumatic factor of disease respective antibodies. For example, IgM rheumatic factor for IgM, IgA rheumatic factor from IgA, then IgG rheumatic factor from IgG antibodies. So they are autoimmune disease whenever it is generated to the chemotrophic factor and other vocative factor of the joint. Phagocytosis of immune complex of polymer polynuclear cell result in the liberation of lysosomal enzyme which cause the inflammation to the particular joint or peripheral joint. Peripheral joint include your knee joint, then your elbow joint, like that. These joint cause the inflammation due to these antibodies or factor which is responsible for particular rheumatic arthritis called as the rheumatic factor. And the respective antibodies have respective rheumatic factor. For example, IgM have IgM rheumatic factor, IgA have IgA rheumatic factor, IgG have IgG rheumatic factor. This is the rheumatic arthritis. It is nothing but the autoimmune disease in which manifestation by inflammatory arthritis of the peripheral joint. पेरीफेरल जॉइंट जो होते हैं उसको इन्फ्लेमेशन आता है, ऐसा ये क्रॉनिक डिसीज़ है एंड इट इज़ द ऑटोइम्यून डिसीज़. देन मैनिफेस्टेशन. द ऑनसेट ऑफ रूमेटिक एंथ्राइटिस मे बी इंसिडियस. द फीलिंग ऑफ फैटिग्यू, वीकनेस, मेलाइजिया may appear several weeks before the joint swelling. Joint swelling is the important sign of this disease. Joints are affected by the systematic fraction. Initially those are hand, waist are affected and subsequently to the other joint. Some individual may have the acute onset of fever and with multiple swollen and painful joint. Some patient may onset of fever, acute onset of fever, but other than this main symptoms are fatigue, weakness, melalgia of the firstly hand, waist, bone of the hand, waist, and after it is the subsequent to the other joint, that is knee joint, elbow joint, like that. Then pathology. It is the inflammation of the synovium, synovium, inflammation of the synovium. Infiltration by mononuclear leukocyte occur together with the edema, vascular congestion and fibrin deposited. fibrin, which is responsible for the blood coagulation. These are deposited, and edema means accumulation of fluid, and vascular congestion. These are the primary stages. Then after there is the development of inflammation. As the result, there is a thickening of synovium. Synovium, it is the part of the joint. The thickening of synovium, which form the large villi and infant to the pannus. The pannus erected lysing cartilage and the bone, leading cartilage, which form the weakness to the tendon and ligament and supportive structure. Then it is the formation or generation of inflammation to the particular peripheral joint. Then pathophysiology. Rheumatic factor, that are already discussed, that respective antibodies have respective rheumatic factor IgG, IgM, IgA. These found in the serum and synovial fluid of the most patient. Synovial fluid, that is the fluid present in your joint. The role of the rheumatic factor in the development of rheumatic arthritis is unknown. Whenever the immunological mechanism to appear have a role, complex of the immunoglobulin, rheumatic factor and complement generated vasoactive and chromatolytic substance. There is the complex between the immunoglobulin, rheumatic factor and the vasoactive substance, or you can say as the chemotropic substance. These are also referred to the lysosomal substance from phagocytic cell that cause the injury to the particular tissue. Phagocytosis. During the phagocytosis, there is the release of lysosomal substance which causes the particular rheumatic factor, and immunoglobulin and vasoactive substance, these are complex form to form the autogenic mechanism. Then development of the inflammation, that is rheumatic arthritis.